Using the Xero Verify application is a straightforward process. Today, I'll demonstrate the steps to do so. Start by searching for Xero Verify on either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Proceed to download and install the app on your smartphone. Next, log into your Xero account via a web browser. Avoid setting up multi-factor authentication (MFA) using the Xero accounting app. Instead, click on your initials or profile picture located in the top right corner. Then, select your account from the menu. Under Additional Security Settings, click on Setup next to Multi-Factor Authentication. Choose the Xero Verify as your authenticator app. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions within Xero to link your Xero account with the Xero Verify app. This may include scanning a QR code displayed on your screen. Once Xero Verify is set up, proceed to enter your email address and password on the Xero login page as usual. You'll receive a notification on your smartphone through the Xero Verify app. Simply approve the notification on your phone to successfully log into Xero.